Hello, advanced students. Today we are going to be working on subtracting integers. So in your table of contents, fill in 21, 22, subtracting integers, and make sure you glue in your note pages. So for subtracting integers, we are going to be working with the integers the same way that we did with adding integers. We're going to look at three different ways we can subtract integers. First is a number line. So it says Millie has $40 in her bank account. She spends $20. She spends $20 on shoes, 19 on a movie, and 5 on coffee. How much does she have in her bank account now? So she started with that $40. So we're going to draw a number line. And we will start with 0. And then we're going to count by 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we're starting at that $40. And we go down to -5, -10, -20, -25. So she starts with 40. So she starts at 40. And then she spends 20. So let's count down. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. So then we are at 20. Then she spends $19. So we're going to subtract 19, goes all the way down to our $1. Then she spends another $5. So she's going to end up at -$4. So numerically, we would have 40 minus 20 minus 19 minus 5 equals -4. So picture-wise, we start with 40. Okay, so we have 40 dots. So if we take away 20, so that's going to be 2 rows. So we have 20. Then we have to take away 19. Then we have to take away 5. Well, we only have one more dot to subtract. So we're going to have to make our 0 line. We're going to have to add 4 more to take away. So we have a total of -4 left. So if you look at this, we have that Millie has a negative balance of $4 because she spent $44 but only had $40 in her account. So she only has, that negative balance because she overspent on what she had. So let's look at some of the rules that there are when we are subtracting. So the subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. So just to remember, KCC, keep. So keep the first number the same. So you keep the first number the same. C, the first C stands for change. So you change the sign. And then you change the sign of the second number. So it's adding the opposite, keep, change, change. So it says rewrite this problem as an addition problem. So we have 8, we change subtraction. Then we have the opposite, we have a negative 9. So we have 8 plus negative 9. So we would have 1 extra negative. So we have minus 1 as our answer. And for the next one, we have negative 8 stays the same, change subtraction to addition, and a positive 9 becomes a negative 9. So we have the same signs, so we add and keep the sign. So we have negative 17. And then number 3. We rewrite, 8 stays the same, plus a negative 9 because of a positive 9. So we have the same sign. So we keep our sign and we add. So we get 17. And now we have negative 8 stays the same. Change subtraction to addition. Negative 9 becomes 9. So we have 1 positive left. So we have 1 whole, 1 positive as our answer. Okay, I want you to try these next 3 and then check your answers when you're done. Okay, so if we change number 5, we get negative 12 plus negative 3, so we have the same sign, and we add and keep the sign, so we have negative 15. Number 6, we change it to 12 plus 3, so same signs, keep the sign and add, so we have 15. Then we have, for number 7, we change it to 12 plus negative 3. Different signs subtract and keep the bigger absolute value. So the bigger absolute value is positive. So we have positive 9. Same thing for number 8. We have negative 12 plus 3. We keep the negative this time. So we have negative 9. So that is the basics of subtracting integers. Now I want you to do your practice sheet.